Hi, this is Andrea with Mobile for Media. We're a subscription service that lets local radio and TV stations and local print publications create a new digital revenue source with mobile marketing. When you subscribe, you'll have access to our drag and drop editor, which is what I'm going to show you here in just a minute. With the editor, you'll create mobile pages that contain trackable coupons, banner ads, and a whole lot of other things. Coupons and banners are probably what your customers and your potential customers will be most interested in, so that's what we'll take a look at now. The best thing about our platform is that you don't need any technical skills whatsoever. You don't need an IT department to create your new digital revenue source. Let's take a look at the editing interface. There are three parts to it: widgets, the builder, and a preview. Along the left here are widgets. What widgets are pre-built functionality that makes your mobile pages work. Widgets are great because you don't need to know anything about programming or mobile technology. You just click on one of these little guys and it drops all that functionality right into your mobile site. The middle section here is the builder, where you actually construct your pages, and of course when you click on a widget it drops it here into the builder. Over on the right is a preview of what your finished page will look like. In addition to this preview, we have something called an emulator, and a mobile emulator is great because it shows you what your page is going to look like right inside a phone, and you can flip it vertically and horizontally and give you a better feel for what the real site will look like. The first time you log into your editor, your home page will look something like this. When you subscribe, we'll create a starter site for you that contains, of course, your logo. Here's our fictitious radio station, whatever brand you choose to give your Mobile for Media site. We'll include all of your contact information and all your social media links. And we put in another button called Save App to Home Screen. And I love this feature because it lets your users bookmark your Mobile for Media site to their home screen. And so after they do that, it functions just like an app. They only need to enter your Mobile for Media web address once, and after that, with one tap, it opens up your site. Okay, so this is how we create a simple coupon. There is a widget for coupon, and when we click it, it's going to open a window that lets us build a new one. Header text is what's going to show up on the screen for the user to click on, so we're going to change that to our offer, which is $1 off a large latte. This set of buttons here lets the coupon user email the offer to themselves or share it on social media, email it to a friend. Those are all, I think, really great features, so we're going to leave those checked. Valid period lets you set the expiration date. We're going to set the 30th of the month, so if a user tries after that point to redeem, they'll get an error message that it's not available anymore. And our offer again is $1 off a large latte. You can see that we can set the redemption to either only once per customer or let them redeem it multiple times. No redeem means you can shut down the campaign at any point if you need to. So when we save that and save it back into our editor, you can see our coupon shows up there in the preview. This is what the user will see. So we've got our validation, the expiration date, ways to share, and then when you click the redeem, there is a redeem button that in this case, the user would show the staff to take advantage of the offer. Now, if you want to, you can make your coupons a little fancier with images. Here is our coupon in the builder. I'm going to click this little wrench icon, and it's going to open the coupon editor again. And by clicking edit, we can jump back into that coupon we just created. And in the image box, I'm going to go over here and find an image that we have just uploaded from our hard drive, and we're going to select that. This is just a plain old JPEG. There's nothing special about this image. You can use JPEGs, GIF files, and PNG files, all the common formats that you would use on any website. And when we save it, it drops back into our editor with the photo, which it just makes it look a little prettier and a little more professional. Something else I want to show you here, if you want to change the position of items in your builder, you just drag them. In this case, we want our coupon to be up above our social media links. So when we do that, we move our coupon. It takes a minute to refresh here, and then it's in the proper position on the page. We're back in the mobile emulator now, just to make sure our coupon looks the way it should, and everything looks good. You can see that the redeem button is showing up properly here. Now, of course, the most important thing for your client when they run a campaign is going to be results. So what you're going to be able to do with Mobile for Media is track coupon redemptions from right inside the program. I'll show you how that works. There is a dashboard, kind of the control center for everything you can do within Mobile for Media. And we'll show you all of this when you subscribe. Of course, we'll demo all of these features, but the one thing I want to show you right now is coupons. And you can see this $1 off large latte that we just built. As you would expect, there have been no redemptions because we just built it. So let's go back to the emulator and redeem the coupon. And we see that it was a successful redemption. We jump back to the editor and take a look at the coupons. There's our redeemed coupon. So this is great because your sales team now can give your customers a real-time status of campaign results. And not only do we see that there was a redemption, but if we click on that redeemed, we'll get very specific information about the time the coupon was redeemed. If you have set up specific stores or special codes, those would show up here. And then at the end of the campaign, all of it can be exported out to a spreadsheet. Now we're going to take a look at how to create banner ads. We've switched over to a different website. This is our fictitious daily newspaper, the Newton Times Ledger. We're going to be creating a banner ad for a local car dealership. And banner ads are just pictures with interactivity attached. What we do is upload a picture, and Mobile for Media pretty much takes care of the rest for us. So I'm going to click on a widget for picture and then upload image. I've already uploaded the image for our fictitious Honda dealership here, and I'll select it. Now the way you add a clickable area in Mobile for Media is to use the hotspot tool. If you click this new hotspot button, you'll see you'll get a little outline indicator here of the portion of the banner that will be clickable. Of course, in this case, we want the whole thing to be clickable. So we're going to click this little tool icon, and that will open a list of things that you can do, or a list of things that we can make this banner do. The first thing would be to insert a URL, which is a web link. That's what we want to do. We want to link out to our customer's website for their special of the week. But the other things you can do here in this window are link to another page within your Mobile for Media site. So we have quite a few demo pages we've created here. If we wanted this to serve as a button to link to another page, this is where we'd set that up. Phone means this is a tap to call, so if you insert a phone number here, when you tap the banner ad, it's going to present the screen to auto dial the phone number. SMS number is for texting. If you subscribe to a texting service, this is where you would enter that number. Email address. Entering an email address here would just open the mobile device's email program. And share page via email is similar, but what this would do is open the email program and attach this page to the email. You can make a banner serve as a back button, and there's also a loyalty program available. We'll definitely demo this for you when you subscribe, but Mobile for Media has the ability to set up a complete loyalty program for your customers, much like a frequent flyer program, but it works for any retail type of situation. But what we want to do here is just link out to a web address. So with that in place, we're going to save our banner. And it's going to pop it into our preview window. There it is. Again, we're gonna move this up right under our headline. There we go. Now let's see what it looks like in our mobile emulator. So there's our banner. We'll click on it to test it. And sure enough, we've linked out to the Honda website. And again, this is just a very small sampling of what Mobile for Media can do for your sales department. YouTube videos, RSS feeds, loyalty programs, there's just a whole host of things that we can make available for you to sell alongside your primary media offering. So there you go. We made a trackable coupon and a banner in just about 5 minutes. Again, this is just a small look at what Mobile for Media can do. I really hope you'll get in touch with us to find out how we can help your station or your publication create a new digital revenue stream. I look forward to hearing from you soon.